Hi friends! Today we're going to learn dynamic addition using our stamp game. Feel free to pause this video while you get your stamp game ready. Make sure you also have a piece of paper, a pencil, eraser, and a ruler. Now that you have a piece of paper, your stamp game, and a pencil, I'd like you to try and write the first quantity. The first quantity you'll need to write is 2,837. So please write 2,837, just like me. Since we'll be doing dynamic addition, do you know what symbol we need to write? Plus sign, right. Next to the plus sign, we're going to write our next quantity. The next quantity we need to write is 5,415, just like me. Have you also written 5,415? Now we can move on to drawing a line underneath our problem. Please bring out your ruler, and just like what I'm doing, make a long line underneath the quantities. Below this line, you and I will write the sum of these two quantities. So let's begin. Let's collect 2,000, 1,000, 2,000. Now we need 800, right? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Now we need 3 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. That's it, right? $30. Now how many units do we need? Right, 7 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units. And that is 2,837. So now we're ready to make our next quantity. So we don't get confused, let's make the second quantity below the ribbon. So how many thousands do we need to make our second quantity? Right, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Now, how many hundreds do we need for our second quantity? 100, 200, 300, 400, right. Now, how many tens do we need? 110. How many units do we need? 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units. So we've just finished making the second quantity. The first quantity is 2,800, 3 tens, 7 units. For the second quantity, we have 5,000, 400, 110, and 5 units. Now let's remove the ribbon so we can add these two quantities together. Let's put the units together. Now let's put the tens together. Let's put the hundreds together. Let's put the thousands together. When we put the quantities together, let's start by counting the units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units, 11 units, 12 units. Friends, can we write 12 underneath the 5? I don't think so. So how about we go back to our units and count 10 units first? 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. Let's stop here. So when we have 10 units, what can we exchange that for? 110, right? But before we put the 110 away with his friends, let's leave him right next to them. And once we put all the units back, all the 10 units back, we can put the 10 stamp right down below his friends. Just like this. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units, 10 units. We'll put these back. We'll put this 110 stamp down below to join his friends, and we'll put all these back where they belong. So how many units do we have left? Can you see how many we have? 1 unit, 2 units. So with our pencil, let's write 2 units right below the 5. Now, let's see how many tens we need to write down in the sum. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. So, right below the 1, in the tens column, let's write 5. 5 tens. Good. Now, how many hundreds do you think we need to write in the hundreds column below the 4? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200. Can we write 1200 underneath the 4 in the hundreds column? I don't think so. So how about we try counting one more time to 10. Stop. So now we have 10 hundreds. What can we exchange 10 hundreds for? Can you see what I'm holding? We can exchange 10 hundredths for 1,000. So let's put the 1,000 next to his friends. And now let's count and collect all 10 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. So we can put all of these hundreds back where they belong because we're going to exchange it for 1,000. So let's bring the 1,000. Oops. Let's compare. 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000. So let's put 10 of these hundreds back and put this 1,000 below all the other thousands. And these hundreds can go back where they... So how many hundreds do we have left? 100, 200. So in the hundreds column, let's write 200 right below the 400. Just like this. Now let's count how many thousands we need to write down. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. So here we need to write 8. Just below the 5. Just below the 5,000, we need to write 8 to represent 8,000. So the sum of 2,837 plus 5,415 is 8,252. I hope you enjoyed learning dynamic addition with the stamp game. I look forward to seeing how you continue to practice this work, and I hope you have fun.